Tell us about the impact that golf has had on your life.
Well, when I quit drinking 30 years ago, I took up golf. So, being an addictive personality, I realized I needed another addiction, but it had to be a positive one, something that was going to be a good thing, not a bad thing. When you have an addictive personality, you have to be very careful you don't start smoking, because you'd smoke 5 packs a day. You have to find something that, and when I started playing golf, I realized it is more addictive than anything I've ever gotten into. I play 6 days a week, and that's for the last 30 years. So, it's a positive thing.
And being out here and with your friends in the outdoors and getting the exercise, does it help out your serenity, and have you had a spiritual awakening?
Well, I have never taken the game to the point where I ever get mad at the game. I never get mad at the game. It's just a game. Nobody pays me to play golf. I play because I enjoy it. I've hit shots that where I kind of question myself and go, well, you know this shot. Why would you hit it there? But I never ever throw a club or anything like that. Nothing's really spiritual. I think the nicest thing is when you go out in Arizona at 6 o'clock in the morning and the sun's just coming up over the desert, and I find that's a great time to pray. You go out and you hit one. I hit one out into the desert on purpose, just so I can have a few minutes.
It's a good way to get centered. Mr. Cooper, thank you so much. A real pleasure.